How to log out from Fortnite and switch your account on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you and discuss how you can log out of your Fortnite on your computer and how to switch accounts. First, if you're using or playing the Fortnite, simply close it and open the Epic Games launcher. You can find it by searching in the search bar as well. Once the launcher opens, you will see your profile in the top right corner. Click on it and a menu will appear. In that menu, you can click on Sign Out. You will then be logged out of your Epic Games account, which also logs you out of Fortnite. To confirm, you can open Fortnite and instead of using the loading screen, you should see the Sign In menu. So if you want to switch accounts, simply log in with a different account, and that's how easy it is. So if this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.